Hi, my name's Greg from TP Photography, and I just thought I'd give you an update on weddings, what cameras I'm using, if I've changed my lenses, that sort of thing. So I'm currently using Sony A1 and A7 IV for stills, and Panasonic S5 and S5 II for video. One thing I've done is I've invested in some compact flash express type A cards, which are really good, super fast. You might have seen some of my videos on speed tests. So much faster than SD cards, a little bit more expensive, but actually cheaper than the V90 cards, especially if you buy them from AliExpress. Definitely a bargain then. You basically can't fill the buffer up, especially on the A7 IV. You can just keep shooting and shooting and shooting, never fills up, never gets more than 3 or 4 in the buffer actually, which is really good. You can fill it up on the A1, but it takes a little bit longer, and you've got to be shooting something that lets you shoot 30 frames a second. My main lens for weddings is the Tamron 35-150. Brilliant lens, but pretty heavy, so I supplement that with the Sigma 28-70 2.8. Fantastic lens. I got that instead of the Sony 24-70 G Master, which I sold. Got the Sigma instead after using it on Panasonic. Great lens, recommended if you're looking for a all-in-one solution for weddings. Still got a selection of primes which I use now and again, but it's very much more zoom lenses now, just much more convenient with one body. Obviously also always got the second body to hand should I have a failure, that sort of thing, but you know, touch wood, not had anything like that so far. That's it really, so I just want to give you an update. I've started doing a bit of content creation, a little bit more video recently, so I'll give you an update on that. Also just about to join weddisimo, or try to join weddisimo. The process has been pretty good so far, and I'll give you an update on that as and when I can. So there we go, bit of update on what's going on here, and thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you next time. Bye bye.